What is going on, everybody? It's your favorite Introvert here, and today we're going to be testing out, hold on a second. Alright, we're going to be testing out dual control over the Parrot Disco. We're going to be using our Taranis QX7 as well as the Sky Controller 2 to control the Disco while it is in flight. Set up some flight mode switches on the QX7 to be able to switch between control of the Sky Controller 2. Let's get to the flight videos, see how it works, and just overall see how it goes. Let's get into it. Alright, so she is up in the air. It's pretty windy, but as you can see, there she is. It is in loiter mode at the moment. I do have my QX7 on. I'm going to actually wrap this around my neck real quick. Alright. So, what we should do is we should be able to flick the switch into hybrid mode. And I do have control. Alright. What it does not do is it doesn't put it in loiter mode from these sticks, so you would have to go back to the Sky Controller if you wanted to and put it back in. So it's pretty interesting. So what this does is it allows it to fly assisted, still using the chuck. So it's level. It's not letting me bank all the way. It's still giving me a bank limit there, as you can see. Well, hopefully as you can see. There we go. That's max right. And I am recording this through, I'm recording this on my iPad, so I'm gonna slow her down, pause the recording here, fly into the wind, and we're gonna put her into manual mode and see how she does. Alright, we're in manual mode right now. Pretty fast. Takes off quickly. It is pretty windy. Whoa. There we go. So I had a panic moment there and I had to flip her into auto mode. And we are recording, so we got that on video. So that is a good thing about the setup here. If you ever get in a panic like I did, I was going down. So I flipped her into auto mode and she corrected. So let's bring her back. Flip her back into hybrid mode. do some flybys. Alright, I'm going to switch it to auto mode. I got a low battery on my controller. Sorry I'm so close. Kicked it into auto mode, so right now we're using the Sky Controller 2, and I set it into auto, but I'm going to bring her down, unplug the Taranis receiver in there, and I'm going to fly off the Sky Controller 2. Alright, sorry about the wind noise, but we made it. We managed to land safely, and we'll see how she landed. Back in one piece. Alright. And it appears we still have all of our protective coating. So, hey, it didn't blow off. Nice. That's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. That's going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next time.